Hey everyone. My name is John, and by the end of today's video, you will be able to grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers, fast. No matter if you just started your YouTube journey or have been struggling for a while to gain traction, this video will give you proven tips for scoring those first crucial subscribers and viewers. The first step is to determine what niche you want to create content for. The niche you choose plays a huge role in whether you can build an audience. You want to pick a niche you're passionate about because you'll be creating a lot of videos on it. Do some research to ensure there is demand for content in it. The goal is to solve problems or satisfy the needs of a specific audience through your videos. Talk about why you picked your particular niche and what kinds of topics and content you'll be making videos on. 1. Optimize your channel. Next, set up and optimize your channel to convert visitors into subscribers. Start by making an eye-catching channel icon and art, as well as an engaging channel trailer video that gives viewers a sneak peek at your content. Make use of playlists to organize your content. Fill out descriptions and tags completely. Having an optimized channel establishes you as an authority in your niche and entices people to subscribe right from the first impression. 2. Craft compelling titles and thumbnails. Great titles and custom thumbnails are key to getting clicks on your videos. For titles, include your main keyword, emotive words, and curiosity gap hooks. Keep them below 70 characters if possible. Next, make custom thumbnail images that pop by using bold texts, contrasting elements, and faces to draw attention. Tools like Canva make it easy. By mastering clickable titles and thumbnails, you'll get way more views. Click the link in the description box below to get access to a free tool that will help you optimize your videos and rank on the first page of search results. Once again, click on the tool in the description and pinned comment section. 3. Promote your content. Now it's time to start promoting your videos to drive more viewers. First, ask friends and family to subscribe, like, and share your content. Join relevant Facebook groups, subreddits, and forums to share your videos where people are already discussing that niche. Make use of hashtags on Instagram and Twitter leading back to your channel. Reach out to others with channels in your niche and offer video collabs or shoutouts. Be genuine when networking and build real connections. Promoting your videos is what gets that initial subscriber ball rolling. 4. Consistency and quality. Lastly, to grow rapidly from 0 subscribers once you have initial viewership, you need to have consistency and quality. Set an upload schedule, such as 2 videos per week, and stick to it. Produce videos that deliver value to your target audience by having a clear structure, good pacing, high production value for your budget level, and engaging on-screen presence. Ask viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when your next videos drop. I hope you enjoyed this video and found my 0 subscribers tips helpful. Subscribe if you want to see more videos about growing a successful YouTube channel. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.